You know? And so this is execution. And so before execution, length is 0. After execution, length is okay. Then 96,346. Mm. Okay. Then okay. Now next. Okay now. Yeah. So suppose another customer. Let's take another second customer. Then first image. Okay. Then download the image. What's it? Download. Download what? JPEG images. Okay. Then so JPEG images. Then okay. Let's take one image. Okay now. Then some image. So save this image. Then JPEG image. Like I'll save it as photo 2. Photo 2. Okay. Then image 2. Photo 2. Save. Okay now. Photo 2. Photo 2 dot JPEG. Then so this is saved. But sorry, where it is saved? Huh? Downloads. Okay. Once again. Yes. Photo 2. Photo 2 is saved in E drive PLSQL folder. Okay. Next. I want to store this image in database. Then so tell me what first. First one. Insert the row. Second customer. Insert second customer. Insert into customer values 11. B. Insert what's that? Null. Empty blob. Okay. Then now select what's that? Length of C photo from customer where customer ID equals to 11. Length is what's that? 0. Execute. Execute the procedure. What is the procedure? Update what? Customer photo. Update customer photo. Then so it takes two arguments. First argument is customer ID. Second argument is image name. What is that? Is photo2.jpeg. Okay. Then once again. Then File open is failed. Why? E drive PLSQL. Then sorry, this file JFIF bus. What this is? JFIF. Okay, na? That's what you have to be there. So let's see what JFIF successful. Okay, now extension is different. Okay, then now execute what? Sorry, see the length, select what's that length of C photo from customer where customer ID equal to 11, 12,763. If you want, you can go and check. So then E drive PLSQL, just go to properties, see the how many bytes, you see that how many bytes, 12,763 bytes. So these many bytes are inserted into database. That's it. For every customer, what you do, first insert null value, insert what? Null, then execute, insert the null, first initially insert null, then execute procedure. After executing the procedure, if you want, find the length. Before executing the procedure, length is what, sir? 0. After executing the procedure, length is 12,000. That means image is stored in database or not? Yes. That's all. Okay. Then understood? Then same. Oh. Hmm? Hmm. Oh. That will be there in the database. Yes. Okay. Na? It will be there in the database. Can we? Yes. Suppose then. Then so. Once again. Once again. Then. What is our C photo now? C photo. What is the table name? Customer. Where customer ID equals to D. Then next. So create or what? Create or replace procedure. What? Then D. D. What in number F in what? Varchar 2. Next is okay. So what the file name? File name is this one. This is the file F. What is the directory object? D10. It also directory object name is what? D10. D10. What is the file name? What is the file name? F. File name is what? F. File name is F. Okay. Then understood? Now see. Now where is the file? Database. File that image is there in database. But I do one thing. So go to E drive. PLSQL, photo 1. This is photo 1. Customer 10 photograph. This is, remove this. Remove this from folder. That file is removed from folder. But we can get it from database. Because it is stored in what's that? Database. We can get this image from database, even though it's deleted from folder, but still we can get it from database because it is stored in database. Then for getting the image from database, you have to create this procedure. To get the image from database, procedure created with what's that? Errors. Show errors where cat2. Okay. Where cat ch. Okay. Then now let's see. Then create procedure is what? Created. Now that image is what's that? Deleted. That image is deleted from folder. Now get it from database. To get the image from database, execute this procedure. Execute this procedure. What is the procedure name? Blob2 file. Previous one is what? File to blob. File to blob. Now it is blob2 file. Then execute procedure name blob2 file. Which customer file you want? Customer 10. You want to, then that file is created in what's her folder. That file will be created in folder. But with what name you want to create? Okay, na? You're creating a file from blob, na? With what name you want to create? I want to create file name with photo1.jpg. Otherwise, it's not compulsory that you have to give the same name. You can give different name. What is that is abc dot what's it? JPEG. abc.jpeg. PLSQL project successfully completed. Just go to this folder. Where this folder is created? D10. D10 means E colon PLSQL. Then go to this PLSQL ABC. Okay, na? Then we created from database. Now do the same thing. So I'm deleting this photo 2. And then what? Get it from database. Then execute procedure name. What is this is? Blob2 what's her file? Which customer? Customer 11. So XYZ dot JPEG. Let's see. Then PLSQL project successfully completed. Then go to this. Then what's that? Go to PLSQL XYZ. So created or not? Yes. That's it. So this is the program. Okay, na? Then. So what this is? Procedure to what? Procedure to create image from what? Blob. But this is lengthy then somewhat. Okay, na? But if you want, write it. Otherwise, it will be there in this. Okay, na? Notes. Sir, previous reverse, sir. This is what previous what's it? Reverse. Go to database. It is going to the database, getting the photograph. Getting the photograph from database. That is copied to the variable. Next, find the length of this photograph. Getting the database, going to the database, get the image, blob. The blob is copied to this variable. Find the length of the blob. Next one, create a what's it? File. Create a file with what name? F. So here, what is F? XYZ.jpg. So the file is created with what name? XYZ.jpg. Here W. W means created or reading. W means create. A new file is created with what name? F. WB means write binary. Right? Binary. Write binary. Okay. Then. So what is getting the copying the bytes? Copying the bytes from where to where? See, here copying this loop is for copying the bytes from blob2 file. blob to file. Previous one, file to blob. Now blob to file. Copying the bytes from L file into which file? L file. L buffer means blob. The blob contents are copied to this one. So copying the bytes from blob to file. This loop is for copying the bytes from blob to file. So read the chunks of blob and write them to the file until complete. Okay. Once completed, close the file. That's all. Sir, create a file bus. Create a file. So W, write binary. What is the file name? F. Where you want to create the file? D10. The file is created in D10. Next, once file is created, then so read the bytes from blob, copy the bytes to this file. Once completed, close the file. Then if any exception, then raise. That's all. So this is exceptional. Like when others, then simply close the file. You don't need to write all this. Then okay, that's so this is what both. So one is file to blob, another one blob to file. Even the file is deleted from folder, but still we can get it from database. Okay, then so that is the difference between what's that blob and b file. In case of b file, if the file is deleted from folder, can you get it? No. If the file deleted from the folder, can you get it that file? No, because in database, what you are storing? Path. You are storing path. Image is not stored in database. But in case of blob, image is stored. So you can get it. Still, it is deleted from. So that is another difference. Okay. That's that's it. Yeah, complete. Okay, na? That- Hmm? See, once again, you see this here. Select once again. Select describe what user underscore directories. Then object does not exist. Show user batch 9 a. This table is not there in batch 9 a.m. So where you can find this table? System. Go to system. System. What is this? Manager. Describe user underscore directories. You're also not there. Then what is the table name? DBA underscore directories. This is the table name. DBA underscore directories. Select what's it? Directory. What name? Next one. Directory. What path? Path. Directory name. Directory path. Okay. From user underscore sorry, DBA underscore directories. Okay. Then so run this query. One is what's it? For example, these are all predefined. Like let's say we created one directory. What is the directory we created? D10. What is the D10? D10 is point to E colon PLS. Yes, this is the command. This is the table, DBA directories, not user underscore directories. Understood that? Not required actually. Okay, then. So here the table name is what? DBA directories. But where you can find this? You can find this in what? DBA system, not in batch 9 a.m. Okay, now? Then. Okay. Then. Oh. So any doubts, I'll be here only then. But so what? Otherwise, you can contact me on this or WhatsApp to this number. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Hmm? Okay, na? Okay, guys, online students. Okay, bye. Now. So bye. Thank you. All the best. Okay. All the best. So I'll upload any like interview questions. Okay, na? Huh? Any sample resume if you want.